To make the makeshift rocket launcher, you need one PVC pipe. The size is up to you. Just big enough to hold a firework. You need this thingamabobber, I don't know what it's called, but you put it at the end. Then this thingamabobber goes in here, you tighten this, and that creates the epic blowout explosion when the firework launches. Then you need an L bracket, a big L bracket. Then you need at least 2 little L brackets, but 3 if you want to make a little sight for it, just for decoration. Then you need 5 hose clamps, they're big enough to fit around your PVC pipe. And then lastly, you need some duct tape. All this stuff can be found at your local hardware store. I found it all in the plumbing aisle. Just go there and look around. The tools you will need to build the makeshift rocket launcher: a flathead screwdriver, a hacksaw, or a machete, if you just want to look epic. First step is these PVC pipes are a bit too long, so just measure it on you, find a good size, and then cut it down to what you want. Okay, the next step is you take this funky thingamabobber and put it on the end of the pipe. Then you take your flathead screwdriver and tighten it. You take this funky thingamabobber, put it on the top. Then tighten this hose clamp. If you tighten it really tight, this won't blow off when you launch the firework. But if you leave it a bit loose, then it will, and it's more epic. So it's all up to you. The next step is put all your hose clamps on the PVC pipe. Okay, first thing you're going to do is this is going to be your shoulders support thing. So that's going to go on 2 of the hose clamps, like this. 1 there, 1 there. The next is going to be your handles for holding it. Like so. And then the last one is going to be your fake little sight thing that goes underneath there and underneath here. Now I'm going to tighten all these and then try it out and loosen them and adjust it until I find a comfortable position for them. Now I kind of cheated a bit with screwing these in. I didn't use the flathead screwdriver. I used a 5/16 drill bit thing. It just fits nicely on there and tightens up. Okay, now that everything's tightened, this is what I decided on for my distances, which lines up perfectly for me. The next step is ripping off all these little junky stickers everywhere that just look ugly. Next step, duct tape! Gotta duct tape up all these pokey things, just so you don't stab yourself. That's not very comfortable. See this? This one, the next one, next. That's about it. And now the makeshift rocket launcher is done. Totally up to you what size pipe you use here. It could be bigger, it could be smaller, as long as it holds the fireworks. This isn't really needed, and these could pretty much be any size. And this back part, if you really wanted, you could make it one solid piece and it wouldn't explode, but it'd be cheaper. But that's about it. Let's take it out and test it out.